Hi Leo, how have you been? On Monday, your heart is telling you one thing, but your logical mind may be saying something else entirely. Be careful right now. A non hurried, gentle approach will help you make the right choices because letting your sexy spontaneity take over could be fun in this moment, but it will complicate things in the long run. The emotional sector is also influenced by the moon. So you can have emotional issues as well. You should stay away from all the arguments. During this week, you need a lot of sleep. Tuesday prediction says it's not your style to rely on the status quo in your love life, and it isn't your jam to allow routine to overtake your romantic interactions. However, it may not be possible to follow your dreams of love today, especially if doing so would mean breaking the shelter in place paradigm we all have to abide by at this time. The solar transit through the sector of health can make you health conscious. You can have some concerns regarding your health in general. Digestive issues can also come up, and you should try to have a moderate and healthy diet. You should avoid junk food and eat home cooked food. Water intake is very important, and that can improve your digestion. On Wednesday, a conscious shift toward an attitude of gratitude will remind you that there's plenty to be happy about. Even if you're not able to pursue your passions right this minute, discovering ways to feel grateful and abundant is within your power, especially if you realize that your situation is temporary. Anticipation can boost romance in unexpected ways right now. On Thursday, you definitely have some excitement happening in your love life. New moon lands in your 8th house of intimacy, opening the door for an erotic exchange with someone you find enticing. If you're single, this can be someone who completely overwhelms your senses and who you meet quite suddenly. If you're in a relationship, you and your partner are sure to enjoy a unique sexual experience that includes just a hint of something taboo to keep you interested. On Friday, if you're single, you are likely not interacting with many new people while practicing social distancing. But there's still a chance you could meet someone who has a background very different than yours when Venus creates a stable link to Saturn, now in your romantic sector. This person might be older and wiser or younger and brighter. Either way, the differences will enthrall you. On Saturday, a new moon in your 8th house of shared resources is very exciting. You could receive unexpected but happy news about a credit or loan application or a tax matter. It's all in your favor. As far as love goes, if you're single, then you might not trust the words someone is saying to you. This person might be interested in you, but feeding you what you want to hear rather than what's real. On Sunday, if you're in a relationship, things look amazing for you. A new moon lands in your partnership sector, bringing a happy surprise from your mate. It's also possible you'll become engaged or decide to marry in near future. An unexpected move might breathe new life into a stale marriage. Be open. Maybe all you needed was a change of scenery.
Nice to have you back, Leo. On Monday, try not to get too overwhelmed by the information that comes your way. Once your head starts spinning, it will just be impossible for you to get it slowed down. Your best defense against this barrage is to stay oriented. 5 things you succeed, and success depends upon the movement of the planets. It is predicted that the movements of Mercury and Capricorn at the beginning of the year indicates that you are to receive greater monetary gains this year. Of course, You need to promptly respond to opportunities that come your way with regards to your finance or occupation. And by Tuesday, missing out on opportunities may not be the best of your interest and can lead you to an unexpected loss. It is predicted that you may develop a new relationship this year. You are likely to boost your interest with regards to finances or occupation due to the entry of this new relationship. Your hard work with a focused approach will help you in climbing the ladder of success in your business life. And by the mid of the week on Wednesday, it is advised to plan your expenses well in advance to avoid any kind of over expenditure. Keep from using your savings and aim at saving more. Plan your finances in such a way that they are proved to be beneficial in the long run. Venus enters through the 4th house. This movement indicates that you must keep a stringent check on your personal affair. On Thursday, buying a property to lead a peaceful life can be considered in this phase. Nonetheless, planets that were involved in your birth chart have much to say about your life this year. Family values will matter to you more. You will be more conscious about your image in your family. This can be a time when you are taking on a new and perhaps unusual or very difficult interest, and it's exciting. By the end of the week, by Friday, Mars enters through your 2nd house of your sign. This movement again might not be in the best of your interest concerning finances. You may face issues with your family. It is advised to tackle each situation with utmost patience. Aim to preserve the peace and harmony in the family. Events that occur now can be catalysts for exploring new ideas, perspectives, and beliefs. Educational plans might shift, or work or health interest is in the strong focus conclusions. And by weekend on Saturday, if you're the kind of person who gets caught up in the mode of working non-stop, forgetting to take a break every now and then, practice doing things differently now. We forget that in order to keep working at an efficient and productive level, it's necessary that we take downtime to refill our energy reserves in order to keep going. The moon is also conjunct Venus, which is encouraging you to recognize the beauty available within those empty spaces. It is asking you to maybe spruce up your office and infuse it with objects that inspire and motivate you. And finally, on Sunday, you do everything to avoid confrontational situation and steer clear of any potential difficulties, and even miss out on possibility and lucrative deals by not being as flexible as you normally are inclined to be. By not negotiating as forcefully as you normally would, you find certain circumstances more challenging than usual. And mind-opening experience can also occur, and you feel inspired by branching out and exploring different notions. Your enthusiasm can attract positive attention from others, or unique ideas, approaches, or guidance can be in the spotlight. Have an amazing week ahead.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.